You! Are you tired of the same old hair? Do you want something new? Well, look no further. Go from this to this with Outray's Courtney. With 3 combs, an adjustable strap, an eye lace right side part, and soft synthetic fibers, Courtney is the wig for you. Say goodbye to bad hair days. With Courtney, it's as easy as throw and go. Look like a boss in your Zoom meetings. Take out the trash in style. Even make your pets jealous. But wait, there's more! Order today and get 2, that's right, 2 rolled up pieces of tissue paper that your pets will love. Not only that, but there's a new box in town. Why struggle when you could have great hair on the double? Available now for the cheap price of $34.99. Click now and get your box free.
Color shown is CRFF Sandstone Blonde, available in 5 additional colors. Courtney is heat safe up to 300 degrees. Shipping, handling, and necklace not included. May experience slight shedding, possible tangling, and a sickening new attitude.
If I can slay Courtney, you can too! Click the link below to order Outray's Courtney today. Order now!